What is moisture content test? Moisture content test is one of the sand testing methods to determine the amount of moisture present in the molding sand. Let's understand how this test is carried out. Take a pan, which has a metal screen at its bottom. Now put 50 grams sand in this pan, and then place an instrument called the moisture teller beneath the pan, and allow it to blow the air for about 3 minutes. As a result, the moisture in the sand gets evaporated. Now weigh the dried sand. The difference between the weights of the original moist sand and the dried sand will give the percentage of moisture present in the sand. Thus, we can say that moisture content test is a sand testing method to determine the amount of moisture present in the molding sand. The related term is what is permeability test? Permeability test is a sand testing method to determine the quantity of air that can pass through the sand. The apparatus as shown is used to perform the permeability test. Let us understand how the test is done. First, place a wire mesh disc at the bottom of the permeator. Now weigh the sand. Now measure the diameter of the permeator and pour the sand into it till the level of sand reaches 2 times the measured diameter. Now place another wire mesh disc above the sand, and then place some stone particles. Then connect the permeator to the water reservoir and switch on the water supply. Fill the permeator till the water flows out from the outlet pipe. Now when we observe the water level in the manometer, we see that the water level becomes static. This indicates that the equilibrium has been attained. Now measure the difference between the total heads of the manometer and permeator, and place a graduated cylinder at the mouth of the outlet pipe of the permeator. Then fill the cylinder up to 250 ml. And note the time taken to fill. Use this time taken to compute the permeability number. Permeability number can be calculated using the expression. The value of the permeability number will give the permeability of sand. Note that higher the permeability number, higher will be the permeability of sand. The related term is what is clay content test? Clay content test is a sand testing method to determine the percentage of clay present in the molding sand. Let us understand how this test is carried out. Take a small amount of molding sand and weigh on a weighing machine. Now place sand in a wash bottle. Now add some distilled water and caustic soda to this wash bottle and stir the mixture for some time. Now stop stirring and allow the mixture to stand still. We see that after some time the larger particles of the sand grains settles at the bottom, and the clay which fails to settle floats on the top. Now remove the solution on the top through the siphon. Keep removing till the water gets cleared. Then place the bottle in an oven till the sand dries out. And then weigh the sand on weighing machine. Now determine the percentage of clay present in the sand by taking the difference between the initial and final weights of the sand. Thus, we can say that clay content test is a sand testing method to determine the percentage of clay present in the molding sand. Related term is